Hello, I'm Nikhil Macwan. I'm presenting Chapter 27 Liability for Environmental Offences. Environmental Protection. Environmental protection includes protection of air, water, and land pollution. Environmental offences are regulated by municipal, provincial, and federal government. Punishments. In general, corporations are fined according to the seriousness of the breach or the harm caused. Director and officers receive smaller fines but in extreme cases may be sentenced to a prison sentence. Western Mine Case Study Overview. Underground mine was opened in September 11, 1991. The mine owned and operated by Korak Resource Science. The mine closed in 1992. Explosion occurs in the southwest tunnel at 5:20 morning on May 9, 1992. The killing of 26 miners occurred at that time. The continuous mining machine created a spark, lighted the methane and high level of coal dust, creating a massive explosion. A 10-day search and rescue operation followed and only recovered 15 bodies. Early signs. In first 2 months of production, there was a 4 roof fails. Nova Scotia Department of Labor expressed concern about training and certification of the workers. The lack of emergency plan. The mine was given a special permit to use potentially dangerous method to channel to coal seams without mining coal by the Labor Ministry. Post-disaster report. Provisional government appointed Nova Scotia Supreme Court Justice K. Peter Richard to conduct a public inquiry. Report stated the mine was mismanaged, miner safety was ignored, and poor oversight from government regulators. The lack of action of the Western mine manager, provisional bureaucrats, and politicians was pointed out in the report. The mine ventilation system was inadequate. Western management repeated safety regulation violence. The Department of Labor failed to enforce safety regulations. Some recommendations were improved training for the miners. Independent review of the province occupational health and safety breach. Resignation to hold corporates executive liable for the workplace safety. Post disaster. The RCMP announced charges of manslaughter and criminal allegations causing death against Korog Research Agency in two mine managers on April 20, 1993. Charges were dropped in June 30, 1997 after reviewing the evidence which the prosecutor believed no reasonable chance of conviction. In 2002, the federal government introduced Bill C-45, which established a legal duty to who directs the work of others to ensure safety of workers and public. Section in Criminal Code of Canada, corporation and representation can now be criminally charged.